Want to go to Mexico? Yeah, baby.
Esto dice así, para mi amor del Pacífico, sabor. Cuando yo estaba el otro día viéndote pasar, frente a la playa tu mirada tuve que alcanzar. No me lograba yo explicar, esto no era normal. Cuando en tus ojos yo miré algo sobrenatural.
Baja, California, Mexico, winter 2023. Part 2, Fisherman's Cove, Coyotes and DIY road repair. We hitched up and left our spot north of San Felipe and headed south on Route 5. We wanted a beach we could have to ourselves and enjoy the Gulf, and maybe do some wildlife watching. We found a likely site using the iOverlander app and stopped to check it out. It was called Fisherman's Cove. We started at the north end of the cove, but we found a site we liked better on the south end. This campsite was atop a low bluff by the sea. To get there, we had to drive back up onto Route 5 and then drive south about half a kilometer to another entrance road. We had a little trouble with the transition from the highway to the dirt road. Recent storms had washed out the berm, leaving a ledge of pavement dropping onto the dirt road, and a largish drop-off on either side of the dirt road. Luckily, the truck and trailer just bounced down the ledge with a little gravity assist, but we were worried that we might not make it back out. Definitely it would have been a problem in a low-clearance two-wheel drive.
First night at the Cove, Fisherman's Cove. View out my door. The truck is parked there just to break this wind. And we have a beach down below us. It's all ours right now. Nobody else here.
Down by the beach, we spotted movement by a washed-up dolphin carcass. So I got my camera out to take a closer look. This guy had apparently had an injury that resulted in a malunion of one of his leg bones. But he seemed to have healed well enough to do what a coyote do. Pour water on my shoes. No, now your shoes are all wet.
I can't find a can!
What do you want?
Can't find a can!
Here we are, eating in the middle of the night, by the campfire at least. Middle of the night. It's dark out by the...
6:17.
No, it's the middle of the night. Look how dark it is. It's the middle of the night.
Middle of the night.
6:17.
Ready to go to bed in another hour.
Yep. Yeah, we woke up this morning and the wind is much better now. A gentle breeze. The Gulf of California is much calmer. And our campsite is quiet. And we're alone. Okay, we're gonna fix the entrance to our campsite off of Highway 5 because it's got a big drop there. So I took the truck here. This is the path the trailer followed.
And then you yelled at me for grabbing the side.
What's that?
You yelled at me for grabbing the side rest thing, and
Well,
so you couldn't see
the trailer.
Good thing, because you didn't want to go over.
Yeah, a little
there.
further over we could have rolled. But this isn't bad. If we get our wheels here and then
Fill that in.
fill this in. But there's plenty of rocks. I think we can do it.
Plenty of rocks. Hey, what's a
We'll update.
vacation without a little bit of work?
Yep. We'll update later on our success or failure. All right, I think we finished. We've got a nice smooth entrance and exit to the main highway. Elizabeth built this nice warning sign to keep people from going off the edge into the big ditch.
Legro.
So I think we'll be okay. I think we'll be able to bounce the truck and the trailer out of here and up onto Highway 5 and head south in a couple of days. I think we're ready.
Awesome. Let's
Okay.
go enjoy the rest of the day.
Yes. How's your new sunshade?
Good. It would be better if the sun was directly overhead, but you know, it is winter time. So.
Yeah. We can move to the side of the truck where it's actually throwing shade. We ended up moving the truck several times to maximize shade.
Move wherever the shade is at.
Yep.
It's not bad. It's actually very comfortable even in the sun, but I just don't want to get too much sun
Yep.
to start with. I'm very pale.
We're both very pale.
Very pale.
We'll tan.
Eventually.
There's another shot of the ocean. We bring a fly trap along with us when camping. There have been several campsites that were wonderful, except for the presence of flies. Sometimes biting flies, sometimes just annoying flies that fly into your eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. What do they think they are? Otolaryngologists? This trap does a great job of luring them in and trapping them. Camp is so much better when you can sit outside and not be surrounded and crawled upon by flies. On the other hand, we did put out water for the local honeybees. Yes, we do play favorites. And then we had our first real campfire of the trip. I'm at the fever pitch, man. I'm at the fever pitch. Not quite, but nearly there. I mean it, man. I like mornings in Baja. They're nice. coffee, sunrise, campfire, coyote.
Camp chores.
Camp chores, camp chores. You're doing a good job.
Thanks.
I mean, look, that one's it's filthy there. There's residue from trees at Madeline's house.
Bird butt residue.
Bird butt residue.
And sand.
And sand.
From the desert.
From the desert. Sand from the beach.
Okay, they're amorphous panels, so at least they can be a little more.
Yeah, they work pretty well. They're Hanergy. Global Solar Hanergy. PowerFlex 2s. They probably don't make them anymore.
Probably not. They're actually overflexed around this corner.
Yeah, but they still work. They haven't broken. It's almost like a private beach. It's the next cove over. You can get here at low tide. What you got?
I have a fan coral skeleton
Fan coral skeleton. And look, you can see it's
attachment. It looks like this from in the water.
nice. Good find. That's pretty. Pretty cool.
Interesting part of the morning will be getting up onto the road. My job is to make sure there's no traffic coming. So we'll be listening for traffic, and then I'll let him know when there's no traffic coming, and hopefully we will get out of this road so we're not stuck here forever. I also need to put the tube I found on the beach, replace this green tube that I found. Here we go. That's better. And there's traffic coming. I can hear it. I can't see it. And he's waiting down there. Like a boss. traffic jump so I don't get run over. We did it.
We did it. Pulled right out of there. Good road building.
An hour worth of stacking rocks. Well worth it.
Very well worth
Alright. On to the next excitement.
it. Thanks for watching.
You know, in a big resort you have to pay extra to be able to touch the wild dolphins.
We're touching them for free. Next time on Flight of the Crow's Wing.
It's pelicans landing and making a lot of noise.
Landing and making a lot of noise.
Nothing more interesting than that.
Part
That was
3.
interesting.
Los Angeles Bay. Fishing,
check
kayak shooting, and
people
making
now?
friends.
I hope not.
Like the fudge, man.
If you like our videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And of course, we would love to read any of your comments.